everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flora at Fun and Explora. Please do not forget, like and subscribe. Thank you. It's my beauty rest today, so I have time to do a little bit of food shopping. Lately, I noticed most of the shelves is empty. Hi everyone! So today, I'm gonna unboxing a... Anyone can guess what they have inside? It's taller than me. I know. I'm taller than this box actually. Anyone can guess what they have inside? Okay, come and join with me guys. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flora at Fun and Explora. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe now. Hit nyo lang yung bell button para update kayo sa mga videos ni Flora. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing this big box. Anyone can guess? Comment below. Okay, let's see. Let's open what they have in the box. Tcharam! Ayan guys. So, ito yung nasa loob niya. It's a big stunning mirror. Para sa aking mirror guys. I'll quickly show you. But let's turn it down. That's it. So there you go. It's a big mirror. Wow. Ayan, here you go guys. So it's a big standing mirror. And meron siyang secure in the back. Ayan, yung mga clip niya. And taran! This is it. Let's see. Ayan siya. So it's a big standing mirror. So Ayan guys, ito yung mirror natin. Ang laki ng box niya. So, ito na siya. This is my mirror, guys. O, diba? Nagustuhan nyo ba ang aking unboxing for today? Kung nagustuhan yung unboxing ko, please comment below and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Flora at Fauna Explorer. Thanks for watching, guys! Diba? Ayan, para pag nag-exercise ako, kita ko yung aking sarili dito. Ready na tayo, guys? Ayan. Uy. Ayan, diba? Mirror is in the house. ang happy ko. Ang aking mirror. Diba? Thanks for watching, guys! Ayan. Just to let you know, guys, I get this mirror. It's so cheap. I buy this in Kmart. So, Kmart, they have a very good product over there. They have very reasonable price. Only for $40. My mirror. Ayan, di ba? $40. 40 Australian dollar. It's not bad.